Buying a home is stressful enough. The last thing you want is to move in ready and discover a to-do list of repairs waiting for you. So what if the home was already finished, top to bottom, before you ever walked in? That's the whole idea behind what we do. Hey, I'm Devin with Homestead Road, and we've been doing this since 2007. And in that time, we've helped more than 3,000 homeowners. Well, here's the short version of what we do. We buy homes that need work, we renovate them the right way, and we sell them completely move in. So instead of buying a project, you're buying a finished home. Let me tell you what that actually means for you. Think about the usual choice when you're house hunting. You're either paying top dollar for something already updated, or you save money on a fixer-upper and take on months of work and surprises. We sit right in the middle of that equation. We take the tired homes, we do the renovation, the part most people dread, and we hand you the finished result. You get the updated home without the headache of creating it. So now you've probably seen homes that look great in photos but fall apart a few months in. That's not what we're about. We fix what matters, not just fresh paint and staging, but the systems that you can't see, the things that actually will cost you money down the road. The goal is simple. When you buy a Homestead Road home, it should feel done, genuinely done, not a cover-up that you'll pay for later. So why buy from us? There's three quick things. 1, predictable. The home's finished. The price is the price. No renovation budget hanging over you. 2, fast. You close. You move in. No contractors, no waiting. And 3, we're honest. You're welcome to inspect anything. What you see is exactly what you get. That's the whole point of how we work. Honestly, this is for anyone who just wants a home that's ready. First-time buyers who don't want a renovation, busy families, folks relocating, anyone who'd rather spend their first week in unpacking than calling contractors. If that's you, we build homes with you in mind. If that sounds like the kind of home that you're after, tap the link to see what we've got available right now and subscribe, because I'll keep showing you what move-in ready really looks like. Thanks for watching, and whenever you're ready, we'd love to help you find your next home.